Students, now let's do the exercises. First, let's do comprehension check. All of you take page 3. Page 3. Comprehension check. Question number 1. The story of an ant's life sounds almost untrue. The italicized phrase means, that is almost untrue means highly exaggerated, too remarkable to be true, not based on facts. The answer is highly exaggerated. Complete the following sentences. An ant is the smallest dash. The answer is insect we have seen. Number 2. We know a number of facts about an ant's life because people have kept the ants' aspects and watched their behavior closely. Now, let's take next page. Page number 5. Comprehension check. How long does it take for a grub to become a complete ant? The answer is the grubs take in 3 to 6 weeks to become cocoons and then to be a complete ant. Second question, why do the worker ants carry the grubs about? The grubs are carried about daily for airing, exercise and sunshine. What jobs are new ants trained for? The new ants learn their duties from old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. Name some other creatures that live in ant hills. Some other creatures that live in ant hills are beetles, lesser breeds of ants and the green fly. Mention 3 things we can learn from the tiny teacher. Give reasons for choosing these items. Answer. We can learn from the tiny ants the lessons of hard work, sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness, loyalty and care for the young ones. These lessons are necessary for the happiness and smooth working of the society. Next exercise is discuss the following topics in groups. What problems do you likely to face if you keep ants as pets? That you can have a group discussion and you find answers. When a group of bees find nectar, it informs the other bees of its location, quantity, etc. through dancing. Can you guess what ants communicate to their fellow ants by touching one another's feelings? The answers will be applauded. And question number 2. Complete the following poem with words from the box below. Then recite the poem. The words given in the box are hole, kennel, nest, and hill and stable. And you know, these are all the houses of different animals. Let's do. Soldiers live in barracks and birds live in dash. The answer is nest. Much like a snake that rests in a dash, no horse is able. The answer is in a hole. To sleep except in a dash. That is, the horse can only sleep in a stable. So, the answer is stable. And a dog lives well, mind you, only in a dash. You know, the dog lives in a kennel. To say hi to an ant, if you will, you may have to climb and dash and hill. So, next is a matter of tongue. In humans, the tongue is the organ of taste. It also helps in chewing, swallowing and speaking. Some animals like the frog and the chameleon use the tongue to catch prey. The chameleon's tongue is so long that it keeps it folded in the mouth, but it can flick it in and out a lightning speed. That you all observe. Chameleon, normally it draws its tongue out to capture its prey. The snake uses its tongue to smell. The reptile flickers its tongue in and out, each time carrying molecules from its surroundings to an organ in the root of its mouth. The blue whale has the largest tongue, which can weigh as much as an elephant. So these are all matters of tongue. We just know about it, children. And I will upload all the notes through the WhatsApp, and you can write it down from the WhatsApp. Thank you.